In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use YouTube TV on your PC. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. Alright, on your PC or laptop, go to Google and type in YouTube TV in the Google search bar, and then click on tv.youtube.com, or you can just go to tvyoutube.com. From here, you want to click on sign in or sign up, or even try for free. So if you haven't signed up, click on try for free, choose an account, and then log in. And then once you've done that, you can watch YouTube TV for free for the first 60 days. And then after that, you need to choose your subscription plan. So now once you've signed up and logged in, just simply explore the interface and then familiarize yourself with the interface, including the live, library, and home sections. You can even search for content in here. Use the search bar at the top to find specific shows, movies, or channels, and then just launch them, and then you'll be able to watch YouTube TV on your PC or laptop.